If you're a heavy meat eater, cut back. It's going to take a lot of discipline because once your body gets in a state of illness, the longer you have been like that, the longer it's going to take for you to reverse it. Okay. So my motto is nutrition over everything. Now, nutrition with herbs or natural remedy, it works like a charm, but you have to be consistent with it. So that's that. Cut back on your meats, cut back on your carbs, because in that pre-diabetic phase or insulin resistant phase, that means your body cannot break down carbs. This includes bananas. For a long time, I was still eating bananas, and I was wondering why I would get bloated after eating a banana. That's why. So bread, bananas, things of that nature. You want to cut that out. Sugar, rice, beans if you get bloated for a short period of time, and then you can incorporate the things that you need on a daily basis, and then the things that you don't need, those will be like on a twice a month basis, and or once a month. Because like I said in my previous video, I still have my sweets, and that's once a month around that time of month, because that's only when I want it. Right now I'm eating some seeded grapes. So if you're gonna do fruits, which is the number one thing that I do recommend with a natural remedy, is seeded fruits, especially water-based fruits. Grapes, watermelons. Watermelons are not in season, but you get what I'm saying. Oranges, specific. It was not an orange, but grapefruits. Blood orange are way better than the ruby reds because they're less tart. A lot of water. I mean, if it's spring water, you can put your fruits in that. You can put your fruits in your teas. But if you're preferring to one of my products, I have at least like 3 products. I have the Cosmic Detox Tea, which you'll see consistently throughout my TikTok. Then I have the Cosmic Detox Bundle, which it comes with the antibiotic, a natural antibiotic, and then it comes with a tincture. One is an oil, the antibiotic is a oil, and then the other one is a tincture. So that's like a double deal right there. And then the oral boosting tea, which you commented on this video, that tea is good for everything: sinus, scratchy throats, colds. I gave it to my diabetic mother, and she's improved. So there you go.